How to fix Terraria won't launch and crashing problems. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, open your Play Store and then search for Terraria. And then if you have the application and still the game is not launching, what you will have to do is make sure you have the latest version of the game. After that, go to settings, then go to apps, and then find your Terraria application. Then go to its storage section and simply tap on clear cache. Make sure to reboot your device and also make sure you have been connected to a stable internet connection. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.